Android developers all across the world rely on Firebase Crashlytics to surface detailed insights and context into the events leading to a crash. But often, when you need to reproduce, debug, and resolve those issues, you jump into your IDE, like Android Studio. That's why we're excited to share the Android Studio's new App Quality Insights window, which helps you discover, investigate, and reproduce issues reported by Crashlytics all in one place and within the context of your local Android Studio project. Let me show you. Imagine I've just released a new version of my app to production and want to see how it's performing. I just open the project and navigate to the App Quality Insights window in Android Studio. The IDE then downloads the latest crash data for my app, sorted by those that occur more frequently and affect the most users. While I'm interested in these top issues, I want to focus on the version of the app we just released to production. I can filter for just those issues by selecting that version from the app version dropdown. These other settings look good, so I'll leave them as is. I see that there's a new issue that's affecting a number of users. Given the location of this issue, it could be affecting our new onboarding flow, potentially driving users away before they even get started. When I select the crash, I can see the stack trace right in the IDE. And because Android Studio has access to my source code, I can navigate directly to the lines of code that may be causing the crash. Okay, now I want to try to reproduce the issue locally. So I want to use a similar device configuration as users encountering this issue. In the details panel, I see that this is mostly affecting devices running Android 11. So I'll just set my breakpoint in the code and deploy to a similar device I have around. And if I need to see even more information, such as custom logs or tags, I can see the full issue report in the Firebase console with just a single click. As you're building features and working in the code editor, we'll help you identify potential issues by highlighting lines of code that have appeared in crash reports, so you can investigate and fix issues along the way. The App Quality Insights window is the first important step on our journey to bring the Firebase experience directly into the hands of Android Studio users. When we gave a sneak peek to our friends at Adobe, they felt that this is a must-have integration that directly solves the headaches of navigating from crash to code. And we can't wait for you to try out this feature today and provide feedback by heading to this link to download the latest Canary version of Android Studio Electric Eel.